just two signs that may come up that at least will let you know I need to refill my generator oil. You've been using your generator for a while and those two signs pop up. How will you know that you need to refill your generator oil? Hey guys, welcome to Benco Institute of Technical Studies. We have our Elemax generator here, Elemax SH3500DX generator. It's powered by GS200. That is the brand. That is the rating of the engine, if I'm to use that term. Okay, for this particular class, we'll be looking at just two signs that may come up that at least will let you know I need to refill my generator oil. You've been using your generator for a while and those two signs pop up. How will you know that you need to refill your generator oil? Okay, let's take for example this generator. It has been working, and perhaps you haven't changed your oil in a month, or perhaps you've not topped your oil in a month, and for some reason the generator goes off. After going off, you put on again, it goes off, you put on again, it goes off. That is a sign. All right, so the first sign to know if your generator needs oil refill is constant turning off, even when it starts with ease. Do you understand that part? Constant turning off when it starts with ease. Your generator comes on after kick starting, and in less than 5 minutes it goes off. Sometimes in less than 3 minutes, 2 minutes, it goes off. The next point you should check, the next thing you should do is to check your oil. Check if your oil is okay. Check if it has gotten to a level where you need to refill and do the needful. Another point that may exist, another sign that may come up when your generator needs oil refill is this. When you use your generator, it begins to jerk. It doesn't run smoothly. You put on a generator, after about 3-4 minutes, it starts jerking, more like the plug has issues, but certainly not the plug, because you've checked the plug and discovered the plug is not at fault in this regard. That basically should tell you it's the engine oil. Your engine oil needs refill. And what you need to do next is just get the required oil as directed by your engine manual, your generator manual, and refill. You don't have to turn out the entire oil. Just check through this part. Just check this part. If the oil has gone down, if it has gone down from the dipstick, you refill. If it hasn't gone down and it still gives that issue, then perhaps there is another reason for that, and certainly not your oil. But these two signs are the two major signs you need to know. You need to change your oil. Okay, that is it from this class. Please, if you haven't subscribed, do well to subscribe to this channel. Do well to turn on your notification, so when videos are posted you get to see them easily. And do well to send this link to friends and family. Do not also forget to comment in our comment section so we can interact very well. Till we meet in our next class, it's goodbye from our end.